Hello folks, this is Pablo here, and this video is about the TEK-SLOTS switch box with the capability of counting laps with your tower. Unfortunately, on my setup, I don't have the availability of plugging in right here since I got the pit stop. That's the only way that the tower works. But if you do have the lap counter, digital lap counter, it'll work as well. So I'm going to demonstrate since I already got set up with my digital. I got this Porsche set up for basically digital lap. So car runs perfect. So we got to the point of switching. So I'm gonna get the car out, put it on my garage, go to the box, switch to analog, which I already have a car set up with the same remote. So for this case, we're gonna use these Mercedes-Benz 190 from Fly, which is the analog car. So I'm gonna place it on the lane. I'm going to start choosing what we're going to do. So we're going to go channel lap race. We're going to select it. I already got select 2 laps for this video. So select again, select and select. Once you get all the laps, you can go up to 1,000 laps if you want. It's crazy, but that's how it is. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do F1 mode. Select, and we're ready to go. What we're going to do next is we're gonna set up the start. Once we set up the start, we press again. We're gonna let that count. When you get to actually the point of starting, right there, then the lap start counting. So then we're gonna go with the car very slow because I don't want that to trip, and then I have to walk around. So basically, what it is, only trip. It's okay because we gonna put it back and we're gonna continue making a lap. Then we keep going, we go slow so I don't trip it again. So what it is boop, 1 lap count, and then we go for the next. See if I can actually go slower so I don't trip it again. It's okay. And then what it is, count the second lap, and we're done. We actually counted with the new TEK-SLOTS from Jeff, who made it for me. This is the prototype that he made, and he asked me to make a video, so this is for him. That the work, actually the lap counts on the analog. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the car out again, and we're gonna go back to digital mode. And as you can see, all the lights are working, the tower works. So there you have it, folks. You can use your lap counter digital on analog mode. Peace.